Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in Royal High and the brand new Christmas update is here. I'm so excited. I love the holidays and everything about it. And the Christmas update for Royal High is probably one of the best updates in Royal High so far, in my opinion. So there is a bunch of tea. There is gonna be a new set that's made by Ready the Teddy. She has leaked it on. There's probably also gonna be a new boy set too that goes along with winter. As you can see, I don't have enough diamonds for it. I have to get diamonds for it, and that means I have to grind. Anyways, so there is gonna be a boy set probably, and then I know a girl set. It's supposed to be coming. I don't know if it's coming today or tomorrow. Probably in one of today or tomorrow, one of those. But then there's also a new event that's happening through the 1st of December, which was yesterday, and then to the 25th. So this is the advent calendar. I've already collected the fairy lights and then the reindeer shoes, reindeer slippers. I have 6 hours until I can get my next one. So I can get my next number 3, which is at midnight in the US, whatever. And so basically how you do it is create a heartfelt gift, 75 diamonds for wrapping paper, card, bows, stickers, and glitter, and whatever. So you click this, and then you click someone's name that you're friends with, and you write them a card. I really don't need to be spending diamonds right now, so I know it's like 25, but you know. Anyways, yeah. And then the tree got updated, which is a different tree, and it had all neon and everything like that on it. So basically, you do ornaments still. If I can even click the tree. 1 second. Can I just not click the tree? The tree must not like holidays. There we go. So it cost 175 to put a ornament up. And if you leave the server and Santa has not come yet, you'll still have your ornaments, and you just click the tree for them to appear. You put let's decorate, and you decorate your own ornament and put it on the tree. Once the tree is full, you know that when it has a star on top of it. And Santa will come during when it's nighttime, and then presents will drop from his sleigh, I guess, and deliver presents, and you can only collect one per when the tree is full. I must not know how to land. Anyways, there is. I cannot speak today. Of course, Lizzie Winkle's memorial is still in the Christmas town. Also, people have been leaking, like the advent calendar is supposed to be a surprise for people, but people have leaked the pictures of all the items on Twitter, and then have DM'd YouTubers on Discord, which is not okay because some people actually wanted it to be a surprise. So I'm so sorry if you have already seen them. Put in the comments if you have already seen them, but if you have posted stuff about them, I'm asking you to like remove them because some people want them to be as a surprise. Some other YouTubers are also asking that. So yeah, it would be really nice if people don't do that because I bet the devs are probably disappointed about, you know, they wanted it to be a surprise, and and it's only the second day. People have already leaked pictures of all the items, which is disappointing. But I'm sure people have gotten the first two yesterday and then today. I don't need to do the tree because I already owned all the Christmas items. So the Wish Upon a Star earrings did get reworked. Here are the magical fairy lights, which they are very beautiful. I love them. I don't know if you can see the strap. So you can see the strap, and then there's like fairy lights. Hold up. I will go in crystal ball. Oh Lord. And as you can see, there are lights all around. Not all around, but you know. And then there are, so there, the slippers, that the reindeer slippers, they actually don't appear in your like items place. They actually appear in your shoes. So the snuggly reindeer slippers, I'm not gonna put them on right now because they change my feet the way they look. So yeah, there's also there's like 42 new hairstyles, I think. They're actually very, very beautiful. My favorite one is the Winter Warrior, but of course, I love all of them. So, oh, Princess Royal just uploaded, whatever. Sassy Ponies is one I'm wearing right now, along with the Winter Warrior bangs, which is a really, really cute hairstyle. But of course, there's several other very, very cute, stunning hairstyles, which I'm in love with. So yeah, make sure you go check out those new hairstyles. There's the not shadow set. The Starfrost set is also back on sale, as you can see. It has 60 days. Um, the Day of the Dead stuff are not on sale. Um, the adorable lace-up doll boots and the high school lacy boots and socks are still up for sale for 29 days. Apparently, I thought it was 60 something. Okay, that's weird. But anyways, there is a brand new Halo. I don't know if I can find it, but I'll probably do it. I'll just see if I can do an interview on it or whatever. But I doubt I will be able to because it's really rare to find someone that has that Halo, unless it's like a very common Halo. Um, but I'm officially out of diamonds to buy that set. That's why I said I had to grind and everything. But there's also a brand new cafe that's over here. That was, I think, Jam made. I think it was her. But this cafe is actually really beautiful. It's great for taking photos in. I'm gonna actually do a slideshow on all my photos I take. Um, some are just like memories of like I did when I finished the maze and um the Halloween update. When I finished it, I took pictures with my best friend, and those are just like precious memories to me. Others are just for fun photos that I take. I cannot have my full graphics on or else it will lag up my laptop. So that's why you don't see my graphics on. But I only turn on my graphics when I'm trying to take photos because they make that look more good. You can go snowboarding. Actually, I actually really love that. All you have to do is get on if you're racing with someone, you press start race. But then if you get on by yourself, you just press take off. If I can, let me see if I can press it. There we go. And then you start, and then you just go down a big hill or whatever. Sometimes it doesn't finish, sometimes it does. See, like then, it's probably not going to get all the way. No, never mind. Yes, it did. See, so this is where you know, and then it just ends off right here. Um, I love this update. Everyone has their opinions about it, but I personally love it. Everything's the same, which I love because because the school is still getting up. They're still working on. Everyone is still working on the update for the school, and so not everything's going to be special, but this is very special in my opinion. I probably other YouTubers and other people are we're very lucky that we have at least a Christmas update, because some games don't even do Christmas updates. Anyways, I absolutely love the update, so you guys should go check it out. Oh, one last thing. If you did not get the prize from yesterday, for the update, well, the gifting event, if you didn't get the fairy lights that I should put on, there's a sign right here that will have a chest. I already claimed it, so I have 3 of those. So you have, because since the update launched late, and so they felt bad, and not everyone got that gift. So they put it in a chest right in front of the sign. You don't see it because I already claimed it. And yeah, you can claim it if you did not claim it yet. But yeah, they're not going to do that with every item because today's only the second day. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment. Make sure you like and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you never miss one of these videos like this. I don't post all day and I don't post every week, which I will try to, but it's just hard to because of school and everything like that. But hope you guys understand. Everyone have a nice day, and I really hope you all stay safe. Again, subscribe, comment, anything. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Bye. I love you.